Now let's see if I can fit here. It's fine, but very low. So for kids it's good, not for grown-ups. This is a sauna, infrared. Will fit 3 people comfortably here. Let's see if we have any clubs here. Lucky, but no balls. So next time. Dear friends, welcome to Hollywood, welcome to Adams Street. Let's check it out. This beautiful house, 7 bedrooms, 5 baths, amazing double lot, huge pool. So let's go. So immediately after we enter the house, we get to the living room. It's very spacious, bright. There is a green pattern on the wall. The house feels fresh and bright. Immediately after that, we get into the dining room. Also spacious, open, lots of air. This house has a fresh feel. I like it about it. I helped to buy this house to my clients last year. Right now they decided to find a larger house for themselves. So, I mean, I know larger sounds interesting because it's already have 7 bedrooms, but they want to get into a new construction property. This house was built in 1969, renovated twice in 1990 and then 2010. Let's go to the kitchen. Bright, open kitchen, view to the pool, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, lots of light, lots of air. After kitchen, we get into another living area. You can place a sofa here or additional furniture, but current owners decided to leave it open. You have design elements on the roof, on the ceiling, and it makes it feel spacious. So then we can go and start looking at the bedrooms. So on that side of the house, we have 4, 5, 6 bedrooms, and master bedroom is on the other side. So all bedrooms have closets, good size, spacious. This particular one has 2 windows, view to the pool. Windows are impact, so hurricane proof. They've been installed in 2011, so you don't have to worry about hurricane and shutters if there is some weather issue. Then right across we have another bedroom, which is also has 2 windows, view to the little golf area for mini golf over there. So these bedrooms are perfect for kids. At the right wing of the house, but towards the end. Also immediately next to these bedrooms we have 2 bathrooms. This is a very spacious one with twin vanity and bathtub. Check it out. You're not lost yet? Hopefully not. We have 5 more bedrooms to see. So over here, it's another bathroom. So it can be used as a guest bathroom because it exits directly to the living area and to the kitchen area. So going backwards, bedroom number 3. This has bunk beds, perfect for kids. I don't think you want to put your guests here, but again, furniture can stay with the purchase. The house is for sale, and I'll tell you all the details at the end. I know, let's see if I can fit here. It's fine, but very low. So for kids it's good, not for grown-ups. Also has a closet, same size. Let's continue. And let's take a break from bedrooms. Let's check one cool room in this house. Entertainment room. So there is a pool table, and you can enjoy it for games, family games, or to play pool with friends. So full-size American pool table, Only in this room you have walls painted in darker color, so it's sophisticated, like room for games. Let's go next. So friends, guess what this is? Write in the comments. I will tell you later what it is. So some wood structure in the middle of the living space. Now we're entering the master bedroom. It has a view on the pool, good size, very bright, lots of light. Immediately after, we're entering the master bathroom with barn door and full-size shower, all glass throughout, and very good size bathroom with a walk-in closet. So guess what? This is a sauna, infrared. Will fit 3 people comfortably here. So I know you will ask, why in Miami you need a sauna? Some evenings are chilly, and then right after sauna we can go and jump into this huge pool. Look at that! Just the size of it. It's like you can have a pool party. I remember I went to University of Florida and we had similar size pool in our community, like multi-family, and it's like 50, 60 people will go there. I mean, I'm not saying that you want to have a pool parties here, it's quiet neighborhood, but if you want someday, just tell your neighbors, I have a pool party, invite them, well, they will be fine. So here we have gazebo, grill area, so you're in the pool, you grill steak, your friends enjoying the day, and then we can play golf. Let's see if we have any clubs here. Lucky, but no balls. So next time we'll go to a golf tournament. Very important part about every house, equipment. Here we have filtration system, which was installed in 2010. All electrical, everything in good shape. ACs. This house has 2 AC units. The total square footage of the house is almost 4,000 square feet. Again, it's double lot, 12,000 square feet lot, oversized, very spacious. You have different play areas throughout the house. The butterflies flying, and in the night, the sky is amazing. So there is a telescope in the house, so you can see all the stars. I mean, the house is perfect for a large family, or if you're an investor. I mean, the previous owner lived in it, and then he decided to, while he's away, to earn some income via renting it over Airbnb, via BO. Let's look at a few more bedrooms, and then we call it a day. Okay, so we've been to master, pool and game room. Let's close this door, and let's finish up with the bedrooms. We have 3 more to go. So on that side, you have a laundry room, access to 1-car garage, and this room is a bedroom / office. So previous owner had it as an office. It was furnished as a bedroom for vacation rentals. 2 more bedrooms. Go this way. So last 2 bedrooms located immediately after you enter the house. So we enter the house, we went to the left, we enter the house, now we go to the right. And here we have 2 bedrooms, which are perfect for nanny, staff, or guests. In this room, you have good size bedroom, closet, window, which looks outside to the front yard. And then if we go to the next bedroom, over here you have a separate bedroom with a bathroom. This is perfect for guests because they can have their own private space where they can enjoy your stay, their stay with you, their beautiful hosts. Bathtub, full-size bathroom. So almost finished. Let's go take a look at the exterior one more time. More storage space here. House has a lot of storage, storage is plus the one-car garage, and we're not showing it to you because it's full of stuff. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tour of this amazing house in Hollywood, Florida. My name is POLYUSHKIN. I'm a licensed real estate broker with VERA Realty. Let us know if you have any questions about Hollywood, about South Florida, about the investment properties, about residential real estate. We know it all. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.